In my previous video, we discussed about my first article. It was a review article about ghost blogging platform. And my second article was also about ghost, and it was published at sidepoint.com. Here you can see the title, How to Install Ghost on Windows. For me, it was very easy and simple to install Ghost, but for someone it was difficult to install Ghost on their computer. So let me show you the comments. Here you can see the comment of Demigod. Demigod wrote, "Well, I tried Ghost and first thing that bothers me is painful installation process. For me it was very simple and easy to install Ghost, but Demigod was not able to install Ghost on their computer. So I decided to wrote a tutorial, and here you can see my tutorial, how to install Ghost on Windows. It was also published in 2013. In this article, I explained everything in detail. This was a step-by-step tutorial how to install Ghost on Windows. About me. And SidePoint pays $200 for tutorials. We have already discussed rate of SidePoints in detail. So I received $200 for this tutorial. So you can see that you just need to share your knowledge and experience with others. So if you are ready to teach people how to do something, you can start making money writing articles. In my next video, I will show you how I received $400 after writing 2 step-by-step tutorials about invoices. To receive your online payments, you need to submit your invoice, and SidePoint also need an invoice. If you will not submit your invoice, you will not get paid.